decided to speak about the phobia where 75% of world's population is facing today. That is none other than glossophobia. In medical terms, it is called as social phobia or social anxiety disorder. So this is Ritika, and today you are watching this video to overcome stage fear, and I am going to give you 5 golden tips to make you very confident to speak in front of public. Here are some of the pictures in my 2nd standard, 7th standard and in my BTech. So in front of me there will be like 500 to 1000 of people, and one thing I'm saying you, I don't have stage fear at all. I may speak some mistakes, I don't care about them, but whatever I want to say, I'll put the point in correct way. Whatever I want to convey, I'll definitely convey it. So by the end of this video, you will come to know how to speak in public very confidently. Whatever language it is, whether it is English, Telugu, Hindi, whatever it is, but you will be very confident. And now coming to the first point, not only you, people who are sitting in front of you also have the stage fear. Don't think that if I say some mistakes, people will laugh at me. Will they think about me something wrong? Remove all these points, because if you keep so much of stress in your brain, you will do nothing in front of podium. So and what I'm trying to say is, people who mock at you also, don't care of them, because you have already won the battle. You came forward and you're speaking something, but people who are sitting at you and laughing at you are not even having the courage to come and speak. So who are the winners? You are, right? So don't think of all those things. And next one is, if you really feel tensed before going to give a speech, do breathe in, breathe out for 5 seconds, because you'll have some stress relief thing. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, do that. And you think that after going there, you may miss some points, you may forget your points. So for that, I'm having a solution. That is, for sentence to sentence, give a pause, because with this you have 2 benefits. What I'm saying, I'll speak very fast, but for one sentence to one sentence, I'll give a gap, because what this time will help me to recollect the points. And the other thing is, this will have an impact, because when you speak very fast, how the public will like absorb your points. So give them some time to think of your points, and in this time meanwhile, you could also collect your points which you forgot. Next one is facial movements and body gestures. So I'll tell you an example. I'm very happy at that time. See, you're happy, so give a smile and speak. So this will attract the people and they will show you an attention. Okay, and body gestures in the sense, put your hands and legs in a good way. Now if you're speaking in front of podium, this will not matter much, but when you're speaking on plain stage, try to cover the stage. That is important thing. And one more thing is eye contact. Now not about the stage, I'm talking about the dais in your classroom. So when you are speaking, have the eye contact with the audience. Don't see at one person, your friends is sitting there, okay, see him or her like this, and don't speak. Cover all the corners of the classroom. So 4 corners, 1 2 3 4. So turn your eye, keep eye on every person, because at that time only they'll pay attention to your speech. Okay, you understood, I think. And the next tip is, record and like speak in front of mirror. Whatever you're speaking, just have a rehearsal, because I don't do this, because I know if I speak some mistakes also, I put my point correctly. So I don't do much, because I feel annoying to speak in front of mirror. But this will definitely help you, because you will know, right, how your posture and hand movements, like how you use your eye contact, everything you'll come to know. And your mistakes also you'll come to know when you record your voice. Okay, I'm not doing this, but I'm saying this because it will be definitely helpful for you. And next point is, don't try to use negative words like hopeless, worthless, because people will lose interest if you use negative words. And the next important point is, choose the topic perfectly. I mean, if you 3 things you have to keep in your mind, that is, do you have the basic knowledge of the topic which you're talking about? Only if you have knowledge, you'll have some points to recollect and tell in front of public. And the second one is, do you really want to share them with the public? Because something which is very personal, you don't want to share in front of public. So choose it, whether you want to speak in front of public or not. And the third most thing is, whether the public benefit from this, because whatever you bluff, people don't want to hear, right? So this should benefit your audience. It should have something meaningful, moral or message from your speech. That is most important point. That's it, guys. Here are the 5 golden tips which I want to share with you. And people who still think that I don't even stand in front of public, then how this video will work out to me. So I'm telling you, you may not speak in front of public, but definitely you'll attend an interview, right? Here you are speaking in front of one person, and there you're speaking in front of 500 persons. So there is no much change. So please don't take this video for granted, and hit the like button, because this encourages me to do more and more videos of this topics. So please share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.